Pennatula, commonly known as sea pens, have several distinguishing features that can help identify them. 1. Shape. Sea pens have a unique shape that resembles a quill pen or feather. They have a central stalk with numerous branches extending from it, each of which is covered in small polyps. 2. Color. Sea pens can be a variety of colors, including white, yellow, orange, pink, and red. Some species have a distinctive color pattern, such as the black and white stripes of the striped sea pen. 3. Texture. Sea pens have a soft, flexible texture due to their lack of a hard skeleton. They are often covered in small bumps or nodules. 4. Bioluminescence. Many species of sea pen are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce light. This is often used as a defense mechanism to startle predators. 5. Habitat. Sea pens are found in a variety of marine environments, from shallow waters to the deep sea. They are often found in areas with strong currents, where they can capture planktonic food with their tentacles. Overall, sea pens are a unique and fascinating group of animals that can be identified by their feather-like shape, soft texture, and bioluminescence.